Farmers, or YFC, is a rural youth organisation for young people. We are Builth YFC, and we are one of the many young farmers clubs currently active across the UK. Throughout the year, we take part in a variety of activities and competitions that allow our members to learn new skills, develop and just have fun. Many people think that you need to be a farmer to join, but you don't. YFC offers something for everyone, from performing on stage in the annual drama festival to stock judging at the Royal Welsh Show. There's plenty to choose from. To become a member or even learn a bit more, feel free to contact us on Facebook Messenger or by email. We would love to hear from you.